Yeah, so somebody was asking about the behavior of the animations. Specifically, do they have to repeat forever or can we control them? So let me show you how that'll work. Right now, I have the preview rotating and scrolling endlessly, but watch this. I'm going to change the preview's X scale loop. Right now it's set at forever. I'm going to change it from forever to 2. And now let's see what happens. So we're scaling X and Y, X and Y, X and Y. Oh, now just we're scaling Y. So after the 2 loops, it just started scaling that one thing. And this can apply to all the stuff. So for example, on Blanca here, like right now we're moving them on X and Y. Let's stop moving them on the Y after 3 loops. So XY, XY. Let's see, how this goes here. See how the preview's changed, but we gotta finish some more loops here. So see how now it's scaling on the Y and not the X, because we told the X to only loop 3 times. So yeah, this is very, very powerful. You can do a lot of crazy effects here. And just as one final thing, I'll show you. So just to give you another example of what you can do. So imagine the Samurai Showdown 2 background with the ocean and splashing against the rocks and everything. So what I did was I took that image. And then I basically blanked out the sky, in that background, and I made it transparent. And then after I did that, I positioned it so that the layers would actually put the this background in the front, and then the image preview in the back taking up the full screen, and then I adjusted the Y position of the preview so that it was still like kind of centered. And you'll also notice that I did the configuration so that the list is sized so that it only can show one item at a time. And I'm also applying an animation scaling the list, and so you get a kind of interesting effect there. And also, even though I didn't do it, you could like this, the layer that I have with the action animation, that could have been animated. I could have taken all of the frames from the original, and I could have animated that. So basically, and the other thing too is I have a layer that is kind of applying sort of like I mean, like I said, you can just see how powerful this is. This thing was set up to be for 640 by 480, but like I said, it's just you can really do whatever you want. It's incredibly powerful. So I'm getting there with it. I'm getting there. I have a lot of ambitious ideas.